Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Let me just move that over. In this video I'm just going to be basically just stripping down the engine, so there's nothing like major special about the video, unless you actually want to watch me strip down the engine. Someone has already bought the engine, so and they just need the engine, so I'm going to be stripping like flywheel and like intake manifold, stuff like that, basically just get it down to its bare minimum. Yeah, and I thought it'd just be a nice little video for you to watch while I'm doing. Right, so let's get on with it, shall we? So just a bit of a tool update really. Amazon special. It's been pretty decent, like for instance, it's cracked off. It's cracked off all these bolts. Now you might think, well, they're easy anyway, and yeah, I completely agree with what you'd say, but it just makes life easy, doesn't it? Like, you're saving yourself minutes on like engine, and obviously like cheap. It is a cheap brand. It is a cheap brand. Will it last years? No. But you know that when you when you buy these tools, don't you? If you have any sort of inkling that this will last you years, you need your head checking. As long as it lasts a few jobs, we're in a good place. Right, okay, so I'm just gonna get to my screwdriver. Let's just peel this off. Let's have a see. Now, I were having a bit of an issue with the clutch. It were juddering. Now, oh dear, that's heavy. Right. Let's have a look at the clutch plate. So the plate itself, there's no like any real major issues with it. Let's put that just a bit, as you can see, a bit cruddy. You see the original, it's definitely an original part, made in Germany. It's a Schash one. What does that say there? 4th of the 10th 91. So again, I guess definitely original. It's only a small little thing, isn't it? I wonder where I was getting a juddering from then, because it were juddering. It might have been gearbox engine marks that were juddering, but after it warmed up, it never really did. Thickness of this, looking alright. From what I can see, there's not really a lot of heat spots. These feel alright. Thickness wise, pretty decently on the thickness, so I don't really know. Hang on. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a little bit of play in that, but there is. Part numbers are, it's to me, this, I'll be honest, don't need it. So another set of tools that I do recommend, again, is the impact gun. It's done actually alright, like, again, you gotta appreciate when you're spending less than £100 on the tool, how long is it going to last? And it's done alright. So 17 on the on a flywheel bolt. Let's get these done. Right, let's have a see if this will do it. Flywheel bolts. Yep, I've done it. No real challenge. These will be new ones, so you do need new ones. Oh, bugger. Right, I'm just going to apply a bit of pressure to these. So again, not really any sort of issues. I don't know whether you do have issues. Oh yeah. Right, let's put you back up here. Again, flywheel. Quite a hefty one actually. What am I reckoning? 7 kilos maybe. 7 kilos. To the other side as well. Looking alright. So the reason is that this is going in the AFH engine. It's going to get balanced with the crank and new clutch. So it's looking, it's alright. Just don't drop it. Looking at the seal wise, it looks okay. No oils look like it's coming through. Do recommend a new owner to replace it though. Right, so shall we strip down inlet manifold? Inlet manifold, look how rusty that is. That's going to require some heat. I'll apply some heat to that later on. Right, let's take off this. This goes to the master cylinder. Brake servo, sorry. Let's just loosen it off because I do need to put that back on the car. There we are. Creates a vacuum for the servo to the servo to work. Let's see if it does this. There we are, that's off. I'll go and put that in the car in a minute. Okay, what's next? Shall we take off the inlet manifold? Can we get to a few of these bolts here? I don't really want to take off the don't really want to take off the inlet carb if I don't have to. Let's have a see what size these are. Let me get that extension on there. What size are they? So let's have a look. Is it a 12? Best off doing this one, I know. Right, okay. So again, 13 on these. One. Put that to the side. Got a 13 here. Oh, panic then, I thought I absolutely shredded that bolt. Let's do this one here. I was thinking then is the bolt connected. I won't do that with my hand. There we are. One here as well. Maybe I have to go in there with just a tool. which is not really a problem. Let's see, can I get in there? So again, it's ratchet spanners. Just get that. Again, I'll show you the tools where I got them from in a minute. Again, cheap tools. Right, what's next? There's one here. One there. I think we're going to have to go under with these ones. Last bolt now, I think, on this one. Right. I'll be honest, looks pretty clean internally. Internals look pretty clean. Yeah, shall we remove these now? Tell you what, to keep it nice and simple, let's move them. Move them. Could have coming off either way. They're coming off, so just move them to the side. Let's take off these two now. So again, we've got H9, is it? For these ones here. Flick it back on. The adapter that you get with these here is for the bigger size socket, so not the little size that I've got. So I'm sort of using an 11. Should be a 10, but I know they're not going to be. I know they're not going to be super tight, so it doesn't matter if there's a little bit of play. Look at that, there, that's all. And then, okay, let's just get this off now, which does require some more grips. leather. Oh, come on. Yeah. So again, this one here, this is absolutely, utterly done. This needs a new one. Look how squidgy it is. I think it's a return. It's probably just going to deteriorate in my hands as soon as I tamper it. Let's get that round there. Let's remove that wire for alternator.
How you doing?
Moving this down. Not the right way to do this, but need doing. Oh dear. Tell you what, I don't think you'll be able to see that on camera. No, you can't, but it is just squidge all over. Is there a filter? Can I actually do this? I'm not sure. I'm not going to talk to you, I'll let the new owner do it. And again, this is all what sort of all shit we're going into. Alternator bracket. Again, I'll need that. What next? I think I'm going to have to undo these as well. These on here. Very nice. That's why I wanted to get the engine in today. I wanted to wait for Adam now because I didn't even try this without the heat. I didn't even want to even attempt it. Just because you know as well as I do. You know as well as I do. That's not how it goes. That's not how the cookie. It's not how the cookie crumbles, is it? That's still very hot. I think last little bit. Put that in my pocket. Let me have a see. Should pop off, actually, isn't it? Whew.